back to another vlog. So today I am at a new cafe. So it is called Luna by Hikari and I've heard some good things about this place. I'm here to get some breakfast and this is their menu. You probably can't see too well, but I got a mentaiko onigiri. They have mentaiko or miso, eggplant and mushroom. They also do some sundaes as well as some set meal. The set meal starts from 11 a.m. and then in terms of the sundae, they do a chicken teriyaki or prawn one, and I thought I'll try the prawn one because it's something a little bit different. So I'm very excited. I'm just waiting for my food now, so I'll show it to you guys really soon. I don't think they serve sake here, but can you guys see that they have these human-made sake bottles up here? How cool! I love it! Got my mentaiko onigiri. Let's try this. The mentaiko is more so on the outside of the onigiri, but the rice itself has a lot of flavor. I got my prawn sando. It comes with a little green salad and some potato salad as well. Pretty sure this is shokupan that they use, and it is like a prawn cutlet inside. The bread feels really soft. There's like a sauce in there that's like mayonnaise, there's bits of like corn and pickles, maybe not. Cucumber, sorry, cucumber and corn. The patty has like bits of corn in there. Flavor's quite subtle. This is the beef sukiyaki set meal. It comes with some edamame and also miso soup. But this looks so yummy. There is some egg on top. Let's try this. So I really enjoyed the mentaiko onigiri and I'm glad I checked out Luna by Hikari. It's a really beautiful spot. The coffee was good. They do some sweets as well, which I didn't try, but I think it's a nice spot to just like hang out and get some coffee. If I'm being completely honest, the two other dishes that I ordered wasn't my favorite, but I'm still glad that I went. Anyway, right now I'm going to go to Holy Sugar to get some sweets, so hopefully they still have some good stuff left. I'm in front of Holy Sugar. I should have checked before I got here because it's only open Friday to Sunday and it's Wednesday today. I do this all the time. I always just assume places are open, so I'm sad. But anyway, there should be another bakery up the road called All Are Welcome. So hopefully they are actually open, and I'm not really sure what they do there, whether they have sweet and savory. I know they do like bread and pies and stuff, but anyway, we'll still go check it out. So I didn't vlog All Are Welcome, like the actual store, but I ended up getting this monkey bread. I can't remember what's in there. It's like caramel, orange, something. It looked yummy, so I got it. And then this one here is a feijoa brioche bun. Probably gonna be a little bit messy trying to eat this in the car. Let's try it. That is really yummy. So I think the pastry or the dough is sort of like a croissant dough, so it's really buttery. There's cinnamon on the inside. This is actually really good. This is the brioche bun with the feijoa cream. A feijoa is a friend of the guava. Or maybe they're like cousins. They're like somehow related. So they have like a similar flavor profile. I like the flavor of the cream on the inside. I just find that the actual brioche bun is kind of dry. My hair is a mess, so just ignore that. Look at these roots, guys. I need to get my hair done at some point. I'm contemplating if I should change my hair color because my hair is not cooperating with me and it just wants to break off, okay? I think this is a sign for me to stop bleaching my hair so much. But anyway, that's not the point. I decided to turn on the camera because I received a parcel, which is something I bought. Well, is it something I bought? It's one of those things where I've mentioned this to you guys before, but I do this sometimes. I go into StockX and I place bids for things that I think is a good idea at that time, and then I forget about it. And then last week or a week and a half ago, I woke up to an email saying like, thank you for your order, or like your order is being processed, and I'm like, what did I buy? Well, this is what I ended up getting because yeah, my offer got accepted on StockX. And so now I am a proud owner of, the box is really small, so obviously it's not a pair of sneakers, but in here is, hold on, it's actually really cute. Ta-da! I am the proud owner of this pink Supreme Tamagotchi. I mentioned in one of my previous videos that I really wanted it, and so yeah, I did place an offer for it. Look at it! It is actually really cute, and I thought I'd wear my Supreme Tamagotchi t-shirt today as well. Should I actually open this? I guess I should, hey. Might as well just open this today so I can show you guys. I was actually looking up buying just regular Tamagotchis the other day. I don't know what's wrong with me guys. I think it's just very nostalgic. But this is what it looks like. And I don't know if you guys can see, but in the background it says Supreme. I love this. I guess this is like a good accidental purchase because it is very cute. But yeah, I thought I'd just turn on the camera quickly just to show you guys that. Whether you guys are interested in that, I'm not sure. But yeah, I don't know what else I'm gonna do in this vlog, guys, because I don't have too much planned. Like, I don't have any exciting sneakers to show you guys. I don't think I have anything like even all the exciting happening this week, but I'll figure it out. Okay, if I go anywhere exciting, obviously I'll bring you guys along with me. But yeah, I just quickly wanted to show you my Tamagotchi. Good morning guys, it is another day. I feel like I've been wearing a lot of green lately, but I am just about to head out, and I know I showed you guys my Tamagotchi yesterday, but I actually want to take my Tamagotchi out today and use it as like a keychain on my bag because they're both pink and I thought they'll go really well. And since I'm going to be like using my Tamagotchi, or yeah, I'm going to be taking it out, I can't be taking it out with this little tab. And so I've decided, you know what, let's just turn on this Tamagotchi because I've already unboxed it, so there's no point of just like keeping it as it is and then it's just gonna turn into one of those things where I forget about. So I thought we'll turn it on together. Please ignore my nails. But this is probably the most exciting part. It was when I was a kid anyway. Ta-da! Got a little egg there. I can't remember the last time I got a Tamagotchi. I think when I went to Japan in 2019, I bought a Gudetama one. This is very exciting to me. I'm sorry if you guys find this like so not exciting. Clearly when I'm into something, I just like keep doing research on it. I didn't know that there's such a thing as a Tamagotchi pic, so I think you can take photos with the Tamagotchi. It might be slightly bigger, and based on the photos, it looked so cute and it's sold out everywhere, and I kind of want one, but I'm trying to refrain myself because I am going to Japan towards the end of the year, so I'm hoping they have like cuter, cooler little Tamagotchis there, because this Tamagotchi pics that I saw, I think it goes for like 120 Australian dollars, which is a bit much for like a Tamagotchi. I'm trying to think like if I was a kid like back then and if I asked my parents for like $120 Tamagotchi, they're gonna be like, what? Anyway, it looks very cute though, but I will refrain myself from buying one until I go to Japan and find something cooler. But the egg is still doing its thing. I got my little Jacquemus bag here and I'm just gonna attach the Tamagotchi on there. Isn't that so cute? Okay, anyway guys, I just turned on the camera just to show you this, but I don't think we have time to wait for this egg to hatch. Guys, it finally hatched just as I was about to head out. Look at it. It's just a little blob. Good morning guys. So I'm on my way to up there because they're doing a free coffee event today. So if you guys didn't know, they actually have a cafe in the store now that they've moved to their new location, and they're doing free coffee from 9 to 3 today. So I thought I'll show you guys what the cafe looks like. So let's go. and I don't know whether it looks that different from my usual hair color. So I went into the salon with the intention of like going darker, and we're here. So it's like a darker version of what my hair usually is, which is like an ash gray. And I still bleached my root once, which I was trying not to bleach my hair anymore, but I did it. But yeah, what do you guys think? I feel like it's a little bit different, kind of. I don't know, I think it might fade as I wash it, so we'll see. I always go to VG salon. If you guys been following me for a while now, I've been going there for years, and I only trust Bella with my hair. So yeah, I'm very happy with how it turned out. And I have another update. So the last time I showed you guys my Tamagotchi, and it was a little blob. And I'm here to report back that I am a terrible Tamagotchi parent, because look at this, guys. It's only been 3 days, and yeah, we have the little angel, which means I'm a horrible Tamagotchi parent. So I should really reset this at some point. I feel like I was pretty attentive to it, and then I kind of just left it. Maybe it got sick or something, I don't know, and I felt really bad. I was like telling my friends, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's only been 3 days, and anyway, I didn't make it. Anyway, I'm just about to head out now because I want to head to Hugo's Deli. It is 1:39 now. They closed at 2:30, so I need to hurry up. They are doing this special this weekend, and they've collaborated with Super Cheese, which is a cheese store next to them, and they've made this cheese toastie. It looked so good on their Instagram photo. Anyway, they're doing this cheese toastie, and it comes with like this French onion soup, and then you can also add $5 for like a bit of truffle on top, which I'm here for it. So okay, let's go. Hugo's Deli. I thought it was gonna be late. I made it just in time. They do close at 2:30 though. I got the cheese toastie, and because it's a special, it comes with this French onion soup, and you can get the extra truffle from Super Cheese next door, and it smells so good with the truffle on top, so I'm very, very excited. Let's try this. Little cheese pull moment. I think I'm meant to dip the toastie into the French onion soup. It just smells so good. That is delicious. I can't quite remember what kind of cheese they put in there. I'll put it on screen, but it is such a good cheese toastie. It's probably one of the best ones I've had. It has the right amount of saltiness, and the bread is so nice and crispy, and that truffle. They need to make this like a permanent thing, because they don't do this all the time, but how can you go wrong with some cheese and truffle and like really nice buttered toasted bread? I need another bite of this. Every time I come to Hugo's Deli, I always get the fried chicken sandwich. It's definitely my favorite sandwich that they do here, but this one is pretty good. They also do like a steak sandwich, but they don't have that all the time as well. That's like a special, and that seems to be really, really popular because there's always a huge line when they do that. So maybe next time they do that special, I'll come and vlog as well. But anyway, for now, I'm just gonna enjoy my French onion soup and my delicious toastie. And I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here, guys, because I hope it was exciting for you guys. You know what we learned from this vlog? I'm a terrible Tamagotchi parent. But yeah, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon. Bye! up going to Piccolina since it's around the corner. And Piccolina is doing this 8 chefs in 8 weeks thing. So each week they collaborated with a different chef. So this week it's with Charlie Snadden Wilson. He's the chef at Clover Wine Bar, and I got all 3 of them to try. So this one is chocolate gelato, smoked vanilla cremeux, cognac caramel sauce, and pure vanilla. The second one is the one that I'm most excited about. This one is Fiori Latte Gelato, quince and Nebbiolo syrup. I think Nebbiolo is a kind of wine, and then it has smoked breadcrumbs on top. The breadcrumbs give it such a good texture, and quince is just super yummy. This is the third one, and it is a lemon percent gelato, Campari jelly, and olive oil. Let's try. This one's really refreshing. One more I haven't tried, which is the first one I showed you guys, the chocolate one. I'm out here trying to eat all the gelato, guys. That cognac caramel on top is so yummy. Okay, I need to keep eating this before they melt, but thank you again for watching, guys. Bye.